I'm Gabriela Torres.
I'm Rena Graywall.
And I'm Allison Franzese, here with the Livingston FFA chapter.
And this is your MUHSD Minute.
Members of the Merced High Black Student Union participated in the annual Peace and Unity March in Merced. The event honors the life and legacy of celebrated civil rights leader Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. The group was joined in the march down Martin Luther King Jr. Way by local civic leaders as well as members of the community. Site course fairs continue as registration for the next school year draws near. A CTE fair was held at Merced High where students had the opportunity to inform underclassmen about the various pathways available. Meanwhile, Livingston High held a showcase night for its clubs and organizations. Students and families were invited to see the programs that the site has to offer, and 8th graders who will be attending LHS next year were invited as well. An Atwater High basketball player reached an amazing milestone in the game against Buhack Colony High. Aileen Lopez scored her 1,000th point during the game, at which point a timeout was called and she was celebrated by her teammates and the crowd. It was a big day for another standout student athlete at Golden Valley High. A signing ceremony was held for Allison Hoypel and she was surrounded by friends and family members. Allison has committed to Fresno State, where she will compete on the Division I college's equestrian team. Congratulations, Allie. And that's your MUHSD Minute. See you next time.